Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to the second half of my PTD goods order. I forgot I had also ordered 3 lucky draws, so I thought that would be fun to open with you. But we'll look at the Jungkook keychain first. Here it is. It's in like a picture frame and it has a little strap and the little acrylic bauble. And yes, I'm the type of merch collector that doesn't open the keychain packaging. Maybe I will someday, but right now I'm saving them like in their packaging. But that's what it looks like. Love this hair on Jungkook. Now I'll open these lucky draws. 3 is kind of an odd number to choose for lucky draws, but I just didn't feel like getting 5, like the minimum or the maximum limit. So, oh, I forgot. I like to open these neatly. Oops. I think that looks like Tae. Yay! It is Tae. I'll have to check the chart to see if it's version 1 or version 2, but that's really cute. And the acrylic stand is that flower motif pattern. Open the second one. One, two, 3. Hobie? I see silver hair. No dupes so far. Yay! Hobie. Ooh, look at Hobie's shoes. So cute. The soles are checkered. That's Hobie. Last one. Oh, is that you? Jungkook! Jungkook이가 왔어요. Again, I'll check the chart to see which pattern it is, but I'm really glad that there's no dupes, and I've got 3 different members, and dear old Jungkook came as well. That's really nice. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye. Also, I have 2 packages that I just thought I'd open right up. This, I believe, is trades for PTD. Is this JK? I can't tell. This is pretty typical packaging for trading in Korea. Oh, and they put goodies in a butter-themed envelope too. I did the exact same thing for my package. Ooh, we've got Yoongi, Hosagi, Jimin이, Tae, Jungkook, Namjoon, Jin, and inside. Oh my gosh, look how cute this washi tape is. Gotta save that. But I traded Jungkook's special card for Namjoon's special card, and then I traded, I think, one of my duplicate Jungkook's for Jungkook 7. Looks clean. I knew about the like factory lines. Oh, and I get to see Namjoon's message. I'll do my best today as well. Let's smash it all. Let's smash it. Jungkook is here. Okay.